Olivia Carter. I am 12 years old and I am from Hayward, California. I want to be a professional baker slash chef just a little bit, and I want to have my own bakery and be a well-known baker slash chef. Around when I was 10 maybe, I started with Easy Bake and then I just absolutely loved it, and then I ended up going onto YouTube and seeing people actually like cook from scratch. And I wanted to, try it, and I love it. This YouTuber, her name is Rosanna Pansino. She's one of the first people that I watched on YouTube make things from scratch, and I wanted to, be like her when I grew up and like not have a YouTube channel, but like, bake like she does and have all that knowledge of baking. I am entering the Bay Area Junior Baking Competition because I want it for experience, and I want to be able to cook under a certain amount of time so I can be more efficient at it. I would like to have a bakery kind of like Porto's. It's more baking and a little bit of like savory food. So that's the type of bakery I want. I like to bake cinnamon rolls because it's very easy and it only takes like under an hour, and I know other people love cinnamon rolls, so seeing the satisfaction on their face is what makes me happy. When I first made cinnamon rolls for everyone in my family, and they absolutely loved it, and that made me want to bake more, and that made me want to, try harder to make it even better. I like that you can make it your own, and you can experiment and make your own type of dessert or, pastry or whatever. And I like how you can make it your own style to where it's like a simple cookie, but it's your style. Having to wash the dishes, clean up the counters, that's the part that I don't like, but I know that I'm gonna have to do it in the future.